Look at that. Look at this. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. So in today's video, we're going to make some gluten-free pizza crust. And this was requested. So for this pizza crust, I am using the 1-to-1 baking flour by Bob's Red Mill. Alright? So that's what I'm using. 3 cups of Bob's Red Mill. Teaspoon of baking powder. Teaspoon of salt. Make sure everything is well combined. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. Just gonna make a little mountain in the middle, and I'm gonna add my yogurt, plain yogurt, vegan yogurt. And once again, guys, I am using the Kite Hill yogurt, plain and unsweetened. Don't want to overwork it. Add some flour to my counter. My counter is clean, always sterilized. Just knock everything out, and we're gonna work with this. Don't worry about it, okay? A little bit more work, okay? Then I'm just gonna take it. I'm gonna try to roll it into a circular motion. I'm gonna take my pizza cutter and I'm just gonna cut around just to shape it, to lift it up. Don't want it to break apart too much. Whoa. Alright, guys, so this is what it looks like. It took a lot of work, but I'm putting it in the oven right now, 350 degrees for 15 minutes. We'll be back. Okay, guys, so it's been 15 minutes. Right now is I'm just gonna brush it with some oil. That's all that we're gonna do. Now I'll add my tomato sauce. Now I'm gonna add some cheese. This is the Violife cheese that I'm using. Mozzarella cheese. And I'm just making a simple pizza. Now, that's it. I'm gonna put this in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, my healthy people, so our pizza is finished. It's not perfect, but it tastes so good because I've made it before. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut it, and right here is a little crispier, but it's okay. So here it is. Let's just turn it around to this side here. Whew. How good did we cut it? Woo, look at that. Look at this. And it's still hot. Nice and crispy. You can see it. Can you see it? Ooh. Ooh, ow, ow. It's still hot. Let me take a bite and I'll tell you. Delicious. Can you see how nice that looks? Absolutely delicious, guys. I love it. That's it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this recipe, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free. If you have a recipe for something you want me to make, leave it in the description box and I will go ahead and make it for you. And that's all I have. Say it with me. Stay healthy.